Hi everyone, this is Matthew again, and today is the 1st of March 2024. This is our third strategy for today. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we drop today. So here we're going to be trading the digits. We're going to be trading the digits differ right here, and we are going to be trading the volatility 75 index. So once you log into your account, go to the volatility 75 index, then go to the digits match and differ. So we're going to be using the last two numbers here, the last one here and the last one here. The last one after these 6 digits, this is the last one, then the last one here. So the last one is 8. Let's go again, 7 and okay, let's wait. The last one is 1 and 6, so we're going to go for the last prediction 1, then the ticks will be 6. So we're going to click on differ. Remember, the last prediction comes the last prediction will be the last number, then the tick will be the last number here. So our next trade, let's wait again, 6. Okay, let's wait, let's go for 1 and 5. Don't go for the same number, make sure the number are different. 4 and 9, so let's go for 4, and the last prediction will be 9 ticks. The last digits is 4, then the ticks is 9, so let's go for the don't not go for the same number. Don't go for the same number. So you can see we want that trade again. So let's go again. Don't go for the same number you picked the last time. So let's go for, and don't go for the same number. This 2 don't go for 2. So don't go for the same number. 7 and 9. So let's go for 7, and the last tick is 9. Okay, let's go for 3 and 8. Let's go for 3 and 8. 3 and 8 differs. Don't forget, this last number will be the last digit prediction, then the last number here will be your ticks. You can see that's 2 and 9 if you want to go for 2 and 9, but don't go for the same number you've picked earlier. So you can see we want that trade here again. So let's go for another trade. That's 4 and 6. That's 5 and 8. So we can go for 5. We've already picked 8 here, so we're not going for that. 5. Don't go for the same number. 9 and 1. So we can go for 9 and 1. That's 9 and 1. Then differ. So you can see we want that trade there. You can go on and on and on. So the trick is, don't go for the same number. That's 6 and 6 there, don't go for that. And any number you've picked here and here, in the last trade, don't go for that number. So that's 2 and 3. You can go for 2, and the tick is 3. So let's go for that. So you can see we want that trade there. So always note the rules. Don't go for the same number. That's 9, don't go for that. 3, don't go for that. Then don't go for the number you picked in your last trade. So for those who haven't purchased our boat right there, the TOUCHSCALPER boat, that's the boat, we've updated it. To order the boat, visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well is just $7.99 USD. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and all our boats comes with a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices, and we give out the 4 free bots for free. The Forex ebook as well, you get it for free when you order our bots, and you get the free Forex bot as well. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot, and we're going to paste it in the video description on YouTube. Here is a link to order the PIPSREAPER bot. Here is the link to sign up for a trading account for those who don't have a trading account. Here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And the links to download the ebooks are also there. Check the video description on YouTube for all these links. Subscribe to our channels, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.